the Ferrari Enzo project. Now, this car right here is my first ever car that I remodeled, created a design for it, and this is going to be staying like this for a very long time because it looks so good. I actually really like the Enzo. Man, look at that. Look at that. So, the plan with this video is that I have got a Word document that I made of pictures of different angles of this car, and we're going to draw on the pictures to design a body kit for it. Body kit designs that I'm going to be making, there's going to be a ton of mistakes. A ton. Learning from other experiences. So let me put you guys down. I have a vision in mind for this car. Now, we're going to make this car look aggressive, like extremely aggressive compared to any other body kit that has been made for this car. I am going to do a bit of research about the other body kits that's made for the Ferrari Enzo to see what they look like, just to, you know, just to have a wee peek and stuff. So yeah, we've got a lot to do. 2024 is just around the corner, and I am not supposed to be filming a video, but guys, I am bored. I am bored. I could be doing other stuff, but like, I want to make a ton of content for the next few months because I've got other things behind the scenes that I want to take care of first. But guys, 2024, it's going to be a good year. It's going to be a good year. Oh man. So without further ado, let's go and get this Word document printed off and start drawing. Okay, so now that we have the Ferrari Enzo pictures printed off, and we're going to be printing off more because the red isn't a really good colour to draw on, so I'm either going to get a picture of a silver for Enzo or a white one like these two here. So these two red ones aren't really good, so we're gonna put them aside. So the next step is to visualize the body kit. I have a few ideas on how I want the body kit to look. Now these body kits here that are already made for the car are giving me ideas to make my own. So if you look here, them lines are meant to be grills. I need to search up what these names, the terms and the names of each part of the car. Yeah, I need to study. Good morning guys. So the Ferrari Enzo project, I am going to continue working on the body kit design behind the scenes, and we're gonna get another model of the specific car as a test run before we touch this baby, because the plan is to modify this model here and hopefully not break it, which most likely would happen. Oh man, hopefully not. I'll see you in the next video.